In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to invite a member to a Trello board step by step. Whether you're collaborating with a team, working with clients, or organizing a project with friends, adding the right people to your Trello board is essential for smooth teamwork. I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish so you can confidently share your board in just a few clicks. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're inside Trello, you'll land on your Boards page. This is where you can see all the boards you've created or that you're a member of. Take a moment to locate the specific board where you want to invite someone. Next, click on the board you want to share. This will open the board and display all your lists and cards. Make sure you're on the correct board before moving to the next step, especially if you manage multiple projects. Now look toward the top of the board interface. You'll see a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click on Share. This opens the Sharing and Permissions panel where you can invite new members to collaborate on this board. In the Invite field, type in the email address of the person you would like to add. If the person already has a Trello account associated with that email, Trello will recognize it automatically. If they don't yet have an account, they'll receive an email invitation prompting them to join. Before sending the invitation, it's important to review the permission settings. Click on Change Permissions. Here, you can decide what level of access the invited person will have. You typically have options such as adding them as a member or as an observer. If you select Member, they will be able to create and edit cards, move tasks, and actively collaborate on the board. If you choose Observer, they'll be able to view the board but won't be able to make changes. This option is useful for clients or stakeholders who only need visibility without editing access. After selecting the appropriate permission level, confirm your choice. Then click the Share button to send the invitation. Once you do this, Trello will immediately send an invite to the email address you entered. The invited person will need to accept the invitation before they appear as an active member on your board. Once they accept, you'll see their profile icon displayed at the top of the board alongside other members. And that's it. You've successfully invited a member to your Trello board. As you can see, the process is quick and straightforward, but choosing the correct permission level is key to keeping your project organized and secure. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Trello tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.